Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a small pantry organization. As you guys know, I have a small pantry. It goes along with my small house. So anyways, I'm taking all of this stuff out and then organizing into some storage bins and putting everything back in. So I will be getting rid of some things that I have in here. Don't have all the room in the world to put all of these appliances. So the only appliances I end up putting back in here, I believe, are the two crock pots that I have and the quesadilla maker. But anyways, back into my intro. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. It really does help my channel out when you do that. Also, subscribe if you are new, and that is just simply clicking the subscribe button. It does not cost a thing to subscribe. It just helps out my channel. Also, hit the bell icon button. That lets you know when I have new videos that come out, and you'll be notified when you get onto YouTube, or possibly even when you're not on YouTube, you'll get a pop-up and it will let you know that I have a new video out. So if you could do those things for me, I would greatly appreciate it. To wrap up this intro, I just wanted to say that this is a collab with my friend Bree. Her channel on YouTube is Brianna Weiler. I have done a collab with her before, so if you are new, you'll want to check out that video also. After you're finished watching this video, please head on over to Bree's channel. I'll have all of her information linked in my description box. Now let's get into the video.
Hello, my name is Brianna Weiler, and today I'm collaborating with Jessica, and I'm so excited to be doing this pantry organization collab with her, and I hope you guys would like to come check out my videos. I do cleaning videos, shop with me's, I do grocery hauls and vlogs and all kinds of fun lifestyle content. If you're into that, please come over to my channel and let me know you came from Jessica's channel. I hope you have a great day.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in the trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I fear. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken.
What I basically did was take everything out, clean up the bins a little bit, and then I went through everything and stuck the bins back into the closet. And also, you saw before, I had to sweep and clean the floor pretty well because it was so nasty. It was very dirty. But anyways, I'm not going to put a lot of this random stuff back in there, or like the potatoes. Those will go somewhere else. The toaster will go somewhere else. You'll see Jack, as well as my older two boys, Aiden and Luke, helping me out in this video. They were such a great help. And so now we are going to get back to putting everything back into the pantry.
I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me said it'd be easy to be in love, who said that the sun would always shine. I'm not sure you realize what you are giving up. When did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I fear. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you are new. Don't forget to check out my friend Brianna's channel. I'll have all of her info linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!